The surrogate key transformation. It is used to add an incremental key value in the data stream. It is mostly used while loading dimensional table because dimensional table requires a unique non-business key. I am inside Azure Data Factory data flow and created a source. Let's open the dataset. It has two columns, employee ID and salary. Let's see the data. Here we can see the data employee ID and salary. Let's add a new surrogate key transformation. Here we can mention the output stream name. Optionally, we can add description. This is the incoming stream and key column. Let's say just ID. This is the start value and this is the step value. Let's check the data preview. Here we can see the newly added column ID with incremental value starting from 1 and it is incrementing by 1.